Sequence learning, how Meta learns behavior. What is sequence learning? Most of the people think Meta tracks only actions like clicks or processes, but Meta actually tracks the order of actions. This is called sequence learning. Let's understand with a simple example. Day 1, a person sees your ad, clicks and visits your website. Then the person disappears for 4 days. Day 5, the same person sees a review video. The trust increases. The person persists. Meta does not treat these actions separately. Meta treats this full journey as one behavior sequence. Now imagine thousands of people, thousands of different sequences. Some people buy immediately, but some people after reviews, some never buy. Meta learns all these sequences together. Meta does not learn from clicks alone. Meta learns from behavior patterns over time.